This tutorial will walk you through rerouting a work request. And a use case for this would be if the requester selected an incorrect problem type or an incorrect building or site location so that it ends up in your queue, but you need to transfer it to another work team's queue instead. So first of all, open your maintenance console and locate the request that you wish to reroute. Click the request number to open it. Work requests are routed in the system based on the problem type and the location. So by changing either the problem type or the site and building, and then clicking Update Request, you'll reroute this request to a different work team. So in this example, let's change the Archibus support problem type to Building and click Update Request. You'll see a pop-up warning you that this request is going to be returned to the beginning of the workflow. That means if it had a status of issued and in process, it will now go back to assigned to work order, which is the first status that a request comes into our system as. At this point, the requester is also going to receive an email saying that their request has been received and is assigned to the new work team. So simply click OK. So at first it appears that the work request is still in the Archibus support work team, but if I reload my maintenance console and open the assigned to work order section where that request was previously, I will see that it has now been changed to building. And the only reason I see it here at all in my maintenance console is because I was the requester. If I was not the requester, it would not show up in my maintenance console at all. The other way that you can change or reroute a work request is by changing the building code or site code. To do that, open the More Information section, come over to the building code. It will automatically be restricted to whatever building the requester selected, but you can click Clear to clear the filters. So maybe this request was actually supposed to be for the downtown campus. I can type in DTC, select the downtown campus. It will back populate the site for me and click Update Request. Again, click OK to this message. If I reload the maintenance console again, I will see that that work request has now been changed to a building code of DTC. There it is. That's it. Thank you for watching.